just left the DMV because my registration needs renewed, and I did get the notifications on that. But of course I put it off, and today is the last day. And so I went to the DMV, and they told me that I needed an emissions test, and that's why I couldn't do it online. By the way, I did try to do this online, and it wouldn't let me do it because it said I had something outstanding on the bus. So I just learned that my emissions test was due in July 2021. And they suspended my plates 6 months ago. So I've been jotting around the state and out of state on suspended license. So the very nice gentleman at the DMV said that I needed to quickly get over to the emissions facility and have an emissions test done. So that's where I'm going. So I'm hoping for two things. Number one, that it passes. Number two, that I don't get a huge ass fine. Then once I leave there, I need to go back to the DMV. I've missed my time, my appointment time, but he said as long as I show up even before 4 p.m., I can still hopefully get my new stickers for my license. So that's where I'm at. So I'm getting ready to learn my lesson, and I'm just hoping that it's not a very expensive lesson to me. So I'll keep you posted. Stay tuned. I'm going to be at the emissions testing place here very shortly. I did, yeah. I'm sorry?
That's pretty cool.
Well, thank you.
I used to drive a bus kind of like this. I don't need your license.
Oh, okay, sorry.
How many miles you have on here?
I have 86,682.
Okay, so go ahead and turn off your engine. And put your emergency brake on. Leave your key in there.
Okie doke.
And then I do some paperwork.
Thank you.
Yeah, I've seen people have been doing this quite a bit.
Yeah.
I have to look at the weight on the inside.
Oh my goodness, guys. Okay. I'm very lucky, very blessed. So that was the nicest lady, and the other lady as well. So the total cost, because of fines, was $340 some, and that nice lady had the supervisor come over, and they waived my fees, and it cost me $14 to have my emissions test. I actually got choked up, so that was really nice. So now I'm on my way back to the DMV to get my stickers. They were so nice. They took turns coming in the bus and looking around, and they were just so sweet and so nice. See, humanity's still out there. Good humanity. So I'm very happy, and I passed, by the way. I passed. I'm very excited. So yeah, so that's done. Now I just go and get my new registration stickers for the plates, and I'm good to go for a bit. Uh-oh, hit a bump. All right. That's my little saga for the day that turned out to be a beautiful thing.